Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Vedant, and as you have seen in the title, top 5 ugly looking car in Indian markets. Now the first car, as you can see, it's in Mahindra KUV 100 Next. Why Next? You could see dual tone roof, new alloy wheels, little bit of that LED typing, DRLs like typing, and new bumper, as you can see, and it looks very understated in terms of dimensions. It's very small and chintu pintu like. Why? Because in length it is 3.7 meters, in height it is 1.8 meter, in width it is 1.9 meters, and its wheelbase is 2.8 meters. So it's very small car as such. From the back you could see very understated and lots of crust and creases unnecessarily. Why Mahindra? It's just unnecessary. As you can see over the fender and over the backlights, there are unnecessary cuts and creases. You could see so understated it looks. And it competes to SUVs, the sub 4 meter SUV. In fact, it's whole 300 millimeters shorter than sub 4 meter ones. Still, it competes with those, and its dimension is just so unproportionated. It just looks so ugly. You could in Next you could just get the refreshed look like new dual tone roof, new lights, new set of alloy wheels, etc. So you could see from the back also. Sorry, the video quality is not that poor, but bear with it. So yes, this car looks very understated and looks into it could not even look as that good as compared to Swift also. It just looks so ugly like. From interior you could see it's very basic interior. Mahindra has tried to give it a modern appeal, but still it doesn't looks like it. Now in terms of variants, now it starts from K2 and goes all the way to K8. This in the picture you could see the interior of K8, which has a touchscreen also. You could see in this picture also. Now the fourth car is in Mercedes. Now you will think that what is this guy talking? Why Mercedes is there in the list? But sadly it is there. It's in Mercedes-Benz B class, which was launched in India to nearly 2014. As you can see, it's a little bit longer than A class. A class is a hatchback, and this is also a typical hatchback, but with that MPV stance. It's very practical car. No complaint about the practicality, but it looks very ungained. As such, you could see it's very ungained also, and its pricing is also very costly, nearly to 40 lakhs. It's very costly also. So in that 40 lakhs money you will not get that premium appeal, though that Mercedes logo is only enough to give, yes, I have Mercedes, but still it doesn't get that look appeal as such. From the back it looks very unproportionated also. See, now in terms of variants also, it doesn't has as much. In length it is 4.2 meters, in height it is 1.5 meters, and in width it is 1.9 meters. So it's properly proportionated car, but still the looks are not that gaining or eyeball turning like. You could see interior looks something like this, typical A class like. And the third car in our list is, of course, the Maruti Suzuki Swift Desire. It just looks like a car has eaten too much burgers, and it just get a lot fatter. You could see it's just so fat. Ah, Maruti has not even given some cuts and creases here. They have just given a bulky stance for a sedan. Bulky stance are given for SUVs, not for the sedan. You could see typical Japanese style. You could see from the back or from the side also, it looks so ungained and unproportionated. It's in sub 4 meters sedan. Its height is almost till 1.4 meters. Its width is almost 1.9 meters. 1.9 meters not to be precise, but or near to 1.8 meters. Okay, you could see so unprecisably done. It was launched in 2010. The new gen design, it looks very nice. It looks very proportionated and mean also, but this just looks that a car has eaten too much burger and drinking lots of fuel. That's why so bulky stance. And from interior also, so basic, so they have not just tried to give it an appeal, but why did this car success? Why? Because of this economy, practicality, power, easy to use in cities, etc. Because of all these factors, this car was on the top of the Indian market at that time. But still, it just doesn't gain the look. It just looks so bulky and bulgy and ungainly. You could see so ungainly done. Interior something looks like this. Now the second car is of course the Maruti Suzuki Omni. Again a Maruti Suzuki car. You could see so ugly it is. So bulky it is. So it's just like an टूटा फूटा हुआ फ्रिज होता है ना जिसपे 4 पहिए लगा दिए. It just looks so ugly. It's the second car, top second. It just looks so ugly. Nothing to talk about. You will just see and उल्टी करने का मन करता है. Yes, it's extremely practical, extremely, but still it just doesn't has that factor, man. It's a van, not precise to be a car, but still it just looks so disgusting. Even the Eco does quite better job as compared to this of the Omni. You could see from the back also it looks so ungainly. ऐसा लगता है डब्बे को 4 पहिए लगा दिए. And engine is also so underpowered that you will just not. It's and the fun fact about this car na that it sailed a whooping 35 years in Indian market, and it's very famous for the school vans and bankings and small vans, ambulances type, and the most favorite for kidnappers because kidnappers like the sweep like doors. It's very easy to kidnap also, so it's in kidnappers van. Jokes aside, but it looks so ungainly, so its interior is just so. Now though it price is very low at near to 1 lakh, but still it looks so. It would be just a punishment to sit behind these 2 seats. Yeah, it just be a lot of punishment. It just looks so so disgusting. Now the first car is Toyota Qualis. Toyota Qualis was firstly in production in 2005, and you could see just so. Yes, it's big. It's very big. It's very mean in size also. It's almost till 4.4 meters in length. But you could see no design factor at all. टोयोटो ने तो फ्रिज को ही ये कर दिया है. No, but still it just looks like 2 boxes joined together and 4 wheels plugged into it. It just looks so basic, so mean. Yes, at that time it was excellent seller because Toyota cars can sell without an engine also. It's so reliable. Toyota cars are very reliable to be precise as such, and this car was also. But still, this car just doesn't has that X factor of look. It just doesn't looks, yaar. It just looks like in bakse pe baksa. So disgusting from interior. Yes, it's extremely practical car at that time. It was very luxurious. Mafia car to be say. At that time, all the dons were having this car because it was just giving that road presence. But still, it was looking so ugly, and vibrations level from this is so. Then you will get a body massage. You could see the interior is so yeah. And here my list is getting over. So thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, you could give it a like. If you don't like it, you could give it a dislike. Stay home, stay safe.